Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I just wanted to give you an update of the Amazon affiliate program and some of the rates that they've just released. If you are on this video and you don't know what the Amazon affiliate program is, I suggest you check out a link in the description. It will give you details about what that program is and how you can make money from it. Do you know what the Amazon affiliate program is, but you don't understand some of the rates, and you can also click on a link in the description and it will give you a breakdown of all the different rates that Amazon do provide. So for the month of April, Amazon have increased their commission for the affiliate program across 8 different categories. Shoes, handbags and accessories have increased from 4% to 6%. Similarly, office products have also increased from 4% to 6%. Kitchenware has increased from 4.5% to 5.5%. Homeware has increased from 3% to 5%, as well as home improvement also increasing from 3 to 5%. This is the same with beauty and business supplies. They've also increased from 3 to 5%, so a 2% increase for the month of April. These will go back down to the original rates from May, so be aware that this will happen. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description of all the updates and the increases that are there, as well as in this link you can find the increase of bounties as well. So the bounties are the one-off payments that you will receive for referring different Amazon products such as Audible, Amazon Business and things like that. Some of them you can earn up to $15 per referral, so it's not too bad. Now Amazon traditionally haven't been that great with their commissions paid for their referrals with the Amazon associates, so this is a welcome improvement, I have to say. But is it still lagging behind some of the other affiliate programs in play? Yeah, I do think it is, but if you're an Amazon affiliate and you use some of these categories, make the most of it in the month of April to receive those extra commissions. If you like this content or would like more affiliate content, drop me a link below. This is something I'd like to cover more of in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.